So this next section we're going to come up to is Preskiel Falls. I think that's how you say that, Preskiel. And we just came away from the summit, the observation tower there, so this should be a neat one.
I'm gonna see if I can get down there.
So there's a suspension bridge that goes over the river here. This is the view out to Lake Superior. And I'd say we're probably 30 or 40 feet above the water here. This little suspension bridge that's built. Here's the upstream side. Montreal Falls. So this is another one kind of off the beaten path a little bit. It's called Wyandotte Falls. So we discovered that Hungarian Falls has an upper falls, which is what we're looking at. It has a middle falls and a lower falls. So we'll see if we can figure this out. This one's probably from where Mark's standing down here, which I just missed him, up to the top. I guess would probably be about a 30-foot elevation. So here we are in Eagle River, looking at the Eagle River Falls. There's a pretty cool bridge that US 41 goes over. And now Jacobs Falls. Jacobs Falls is just, I guess it would be northeast of Eagle River. We're gonna stop at this Jam Pot Bakery here in a second. And this is like a couple hundred feet down the road. On our way from Eagle Harbor to Copper Harbor, we found a sign on the side of the road that said Silver Falls. I think this is the Silver River, but it goes down out this way a little ways, and it rapids for a while. Pretty cool. But the neat part is the bridge, I think, to me again. Stone bridge. Well, the map says that we're at the northernmost point in Michigan in the Upper Peninsula, not counting islands or anything. We took another path and discovered this spot. But you can't see much down there. Alright, so here's that Devil's Wash Tub again in front of me. Let me show you guys what this looks like out here, where it comes from.
Lake of the Clouds?
No, I don't know what that is.
What's that other one that's closer to us? And there's a little ways from that other part. Those are the biker people.
So this one right here is a trail that takes us to a waterfall called Hungarian Falls.
Montreal.
Oh, I'm sorry, Montreal Falls. Monica corrected me. So we just drove 5 miles down a 2-track that was labeled as a private road, but it also allowed restricted use to the access to this fall. So let's see what this trail looks like and how to get to it. There's only one other car back here but with us, and I think it's how far is the hike, babe?
Like 1.5 miles.
Mile and a half back here and a mile and a half back out. So we'll see what this thing looks like. Just said it was a mile and a half out. I'd say we've already went at least a mile and a half, maybe 2. We gotta be getting close. Just a beautiful hike right on the shore of Lake Superior. Beautiful. My favorite one so far. And right after I said we're almost there, we're there. That appears to be the top, Montreal Falls. Little cascade. And down through this pond area. And what I already showed you, probably another 20 or 30 feet of cascading down through the rocks. This one was worth the hike. We're exploring here at Montreal Falls, and Mark caught, hold on buddy, let me see, he caught him something.
A baby crayfish.
Hold it still. Look at that. Hold it still. Cool. We're gonna let him go before he gets all goofy on you.